Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to convert a photo of a table into Excel data on iPhone. So in order to do this, you can download Copilot from your App Store or Google Play. Copilot is like ChatGPT, but for Microsoft 365 and Excel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open Copilot and ask the Copilot, can you turn image to table on Excel? And they said, absolutely. I can turn an image into Excel table ready. But I need one thing from you. Upload the image you want converted. Once you send it, I will extract the data, clean it up, and format it into a proper table. You can paste it directly into Excel. So hit the plus button. Right? You can use your camera, obviously, if you have the data ready, like on your table, or something like that. But if you took a picture of it already, you could just go add to photos. I'm gonna choose this example. Right? I'm gonna say this one and forward it to Copilot. Now, they said, I've extracted the table from your image and cleaned it up so you can paste it straight into Excel. They said, like, you want it as an actual Excel? Say yes. So it can be easier for you. And as you can see, there is a malfunction with Copilot right now, but you can try again saying, yes, I want to make an Excel file out of this, right? And if the problem still persists, try it again. Probably there is a problem in the update or something like that. So make sure to update it to the full version or close the window and go back again. And that should fix the problem. So consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.